Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another day on the stream. What is up? Good morning, good morning. Meme stocks are back. The market may have topped short term, hit the 200 SMA, but hopefully we get a little bit. We just need a little sliver of action to survive till the end of September. What's up, Scott B, Derek, Simon, Discipline, Red One? Good morning, good morning. Gonna pull back up my music because I had to restart my computer yesterday. Come on, any day now.
JCSE SPRC Polly.
There we go. What's up, making sales? Good morning, good morning. Welcome in. AC, how's it going? You guys taking any trades yet? Let's make some monies. Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope it's not like last time and the memes are the top. Anytime the memes blow off, usually that's the top of the market. 1 second.
Hi. CYBN.
You just got up? Yeah, me too. Got up at like 7:35 or something. Took a shower. I feel like I'm still not fully over this cold. I'm having to blow my nose like every 20 minutes. CPI in UK is 10.1% today, high since 1982. Wow. So they're getting the inflation, or you guys are getting the inflation that we had like last month. July's was like 9 point something, which was the highest since forever. Anything even moving? Is it even worth switching over yet? HIL looks like a buyout. QNRX finally had a reversal. How is BBBY up? Oh, I guess it did close in the 20s. I guess we'll flip over. Morning, Snacks. Good morning. Hopefully today's a better day. Yesterday there was some movers, and I mean, if you're a meme stock person, if you like to just buy kind of these ramps and these short squeezes and just hold and let them blow the top off, then yesterday was your day. But it was a tougher day, I thought, overall.
ABCT.
Yeah, I feel you, Snacks. Hey, Rhoda, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, it was a tougher day, that's for sure. So much happening at once. No real one play to focus on, besides maybe Bed Bath & Beyond. Buy high, sell higher. You know, you kind of throw your rules out the window and just hope that when you're buying high, you're selling higher, you know. or when you're holding on through these levels that are breaking down, through your trends, through your EMAs, through whatever, that you're just hoping that here we go, we're going to get bought back up and squeezed. So yeah, this had an ugly sell-off at the end of the day, but has ramped its way all the way back. I don't really see how much further it's going to go unless it just wants to touch this 30 level again, which it got close. They gave it 3 hard shots here to break 28 and it couldn't do it. All right, we need something a little bit more upbeat. I'm going to go back to sleep if it's not. A little better. Hey, appreciate it, Jard.
AIMD.
Thank you. Yeah, I think that's important. And I think that not a lot of people think about, how important that using your stop losses and, moving them up and holding them so you lock in the most amount of profit is, and looking for entries, not just randomly, just randomly in a zone. You look for your entries near certain levels, and then that is your risk off level, Meme day? I hope not, Booch. I hope yesterday was the meme day.
EXPR.
Hey, Michael, what's up? Love seeing all these green names in here this morning.
KT.
I had my headset down, so this might be too loud. The volume of my headset was down. When I turned that up, this seemed very loud. There we go.
BLD.
That's better. Memes are forever. I mean, they're never going to go anywhere. There'll always be a cycle of memes. And, the apes saved AMC from bankruptcy, probably. The apes saved GameStop. Who even goes to GameStop? But it's it's a $42 stock. I would start the day sizing down a little bit, but you got to go into it the same way as you always do, because that's what works. And you were on a freaking heater, man. You had XYZ green days in a row, and you were killing it every single day. So just keep doing what you're doing. One bad day, off the norm is not changing what you do. So don't stop doing you, but also at the same time, maybe start out slow to kind of get the wheels turning again. Yep, every day is a new day.
CIDM.
Why did this even run late yesterday? I guess it ran kind of all day yesterday. But at the end of the day, it freaking exploded. Yeah, that's good. Sometimes walking away is great. You get into this, you're locked into your keyboard and you're looking around oh my God, I got to find something. I got to make it all back on one trade. And then it just gets worse and worse and worse. And then you see all this stuff moving, freaking blowing their lids off, and short squeezing. So you chase into one of those, or you try to find the next, and it's not the next, and you build a bigger hole than if you just keep your head on straight. Go take a break, get a breather, come back, and look at things like you have been looking at them. FDA approved over-the-counter hearing aids. Okay, so that's ear. Okay, cool. It's got some room on the daily. First rest, 325, really. And then 376. All right, I saw that. I actually saw that. That he's talking about. He's like, I want to buy them next. Was that just a joke? Like, was he just screwing around? Not gonna lie, I didn't even realize that they were public. How many sports teams are public like this? Okay, he already said he isn't. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. Can he say that, though? I mean, that's market movers. Like, he is a billionaire saying I'm gonna buy this next, Hey, Fernurky. Are you excited about Wordle later? Elon does do what he wants. He's been on this for a while. 420 funding secured. The Twitter nonsense. My company's too expensive. Make it cheaper. So whoever I want can buy more. Elon does what he wants. Is this going to be another day of the retail sales being high and the market reacts negatively? Like, oh, people are still buying stuff. Dang it. The economy is still strong. Dang it. And then it bounces. Yeah, that's true. Be wild to sell too much harder. Would be. Yeah, they put retail sales and FOMC minutes in the same day. And I don't know why they react so hard to the Fed minutes or the FOMC minutes. I mean, it was something that happened weeks ago.
CLOV.
I guess just getting the tone of what they're saying. We already know the outcome. That's so weird to me that it's released weeks later.
FTCH. Riot.
It doesn't really make any sense to me. So, Bitcoin this morning, looking pretty weak. Leg down. And right now it's actually making another leg down. So leg down for 24, or actually almost 25, and then legging down even further. It went to 25.
Hive. CLN.
Went like to 25 too, and then just kept legging down. Yeah, I see it over there. Bed Bath & Beyond's pushing. Got a new rule because trouble pressing button. If I don't take a trade, I can't play Wordle the next day. Hey, I mean, sometimes there's nothing wrong with not taking a trade. You're not losing money. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Bitcoin and Ethereum both kind of looking weak. They need to hold like maybe 1850 for Ethereum. Below that, it's 1820, 1800. Bitcoin's kind of in a support zone. You know, that's what's resistance, breakthrough, resistance again, breakthrough again. So like 23.5-ish. Depends on the market, I think, though. Like if the market starts bleeding today, Bitcoin's going to bleed. So we'll see. We shall see. Yeah, this thing just going. They're really just gonna do it at 8:19:52 on a Wednesday morning. Where did that come from? AIMD, look at the hourly, but everything could go at a reverse split news. County flow. AIMD. Oh, let me pull up the news on that. Yeah, didn't read terrible. Was this just a uplist from OTC? It's kind of what it looks like. I think it might have been.
Veil.
I feel like at this point, they got to send back to me on through 28. They can't get it up this high and just give up again. And it's much thinner in pre-market. Might as well just send it now. Do I want to try? Absolutely not. But they might as well send it right now if they're going to send it.
DB.
See how easy a 30K ask gets destroyed. Hey, good morning, Jesus. We're just watching this stock again, BBBY.
VLD.
Hey, Chris, good morning.
LAR.
Good morning. Trying his best to hold 27 here.
Snap.
There it is, 27.30.
GOGL.
27.50.
HMY.
What was the number 2 behind this yesterday? Express?
FCEL.
Fubo?
CUK.
They're not making it easy. It looked like it was going to go right there, and it didn't go.
Inning. NDRA.
Ooh. Big sales there.
CS.
Big sales. Nice flag, nice 1 minute here, and then death. But overall, it's not dead. It's not even close to dead. But the 1 minute looks really ugly now. What they did is they closed that 5 minute week. The Bears. So 2760 is the level needs to go to over. I guess this is an inside bar, just barely, but it is. That's a long way to climb now, though. He's trying to, though. Yeah, I got Fubo and Apron up
Veil.
as well, just in case this does blow off.
ASTS.
Yeah, I tried to get picture-in-picture to work last night that you said that on my other account, and it didn't work. So, I don't know. Sorry, Berkey. I don't know. YouTube's fault. Hey, Wyatt, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Fubo doesn't look terrible. Yeah, Fubo had a hell of a run yesterday.
Cold.
Working out perfect so far. If they close this 5 minute candle over, actually, this is going to coincide with retail sales perfectly. But if they close it up here, the next candle can push through 28. It's nice to see there's still movement this morning, though, and it's not just dead. Got about a minute and a half to the retail numbers. This is looking strong. I'll read out the numbers when I see them. What was that website again that I struggled with but finally got to work? The Juice something? Market Juice? No. What was it again, Broda? Thought it was Market Juice, I guess not.
Inning. CNHI.
We'll figure it out.
CLSK. Snap. AMRS.
Market's pushing a little higher. Still waiting. I don't see Walter Bloomberg posting it yet. Retail sales unchanged. So flat. Consensus plus 1%. Retail sales plus 0.4%. Excluding autos and gas plus 7% or 0.7%. There goes Bed Bath & Beyond. 328, just like that. BWV monkeypox headline. Yep. Fubo up 670.
BLTR. TWM. JUPW.
Too much to watch.
ACHR. BLD.
BWV pushing. Exploration. I love how they're putting those keywords in there just to say that they're doing it, you know, monkeypox, but they're gonna explore to see if their product works.
CS.
So that 5 minute was perfect. Little 5 minute flag through 28. Yeah, it's looking like 0, Simon. It says unchanged, so I guess that's 0.
GOGL. CORZ.
Is the ape dividend the catalyst for these meme stocks this week?
CRDL.
Fubo looks pretty strong here. $28.60.
Teva.
$28.80. This thing's gonna go to 30. No way, unless it just gets crazy smacked. Looks like it's gonna go to
Polly.
30 today.
New.
If not in the next, 20 minutes.
Cold. Open. STLA. FUBO.
There's Fubo. Pushing up towards 7 now. I think that's trying to be the clear number 2. Apron still looks okay too. 29.20. Yeah, this looks like it wants 30 like right now.
FWBI. ADN.
Fubo 7. It's clear over 7.
Rev. JDST.
Almost got to 30. 29.43. I guess I could have played this flag. Oh well. Excuse me. Yeah, BWV got the monkeypox news. I'm just watching Fubo. I got a small position. I want to see it up through 7. My scouts on at 699 or something. 698. As long as Bed Bath & Beyond's strong, it should make the push towards 7 at least. But they're giving it time to get thicker. It was very thin. Okay, Apron pushing now. Apron pushing 675. Clear 2 cents here. Fubo, Apron. Off of Bed Bath & Beyond. This is your lead dog. If this has a big red, watch these. Pull back.
BWV. AYTU.
BWV still pushing? Still hanging around. I had a big upper wick. Big upper wick, but still hanging around. Monkeypox.
FRZA.
Little pullback. Did it hit 30 exactly? 29.97 tapped. Hey, Potsy, good morning. JD, what's up? Yep. Hey, Justin, good morning. Yep, we are at, welcome back to trading, good sir. It's all good, posse. And yes, this is at 30. I used to play it all the time off of
DMS.
AMC, GameStop. It's like the third tier meme, but it's finally getting its time in the spotlight here. Fubo's trying to push back to 7 here. Got some nice volume off of 680.
LIDR. Rev.
I'm not selling this for a loss though. That is for sure. Had a couple 100,000 shares. Oh my gosh.
SPRC.
Come on, Fubo. I'll shoot him on day plus. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, big 50K bidder too. So Fubo's my top watch right now for sure. Apron's probably still in play too, but this one seems to be getting the most secondary Momo right now. 50K bidder moving up. He ain't playing games this morning. Dang. He's a whale. Nice. Take a little off there. I got 2,500 left now. Momo looks good on this. Went to 815 yesterday.
TLRY.
I really don't want to see this guy die though. I may sell and reposition if he starts getting destroyed.
PEGY.
Which could be right now. Hold the line.
AMRS.
Yeah, if he gets down in the 20s, I'm out.
SALZ.
Okay, they just destroyed him anyways. All right, I'm out. Quick little game. Oh, let me pull up BWV.
FTFT. AIMT.
310s your line in the sand for holding over, it looks like. Or closing the candle over. I see the lion is tweeting about it. Doesn't look terrible. Big bid prop here. Missed my entry. Missed my entry big time. You gotta see, I rarely chase if I miss. Fubo's still showing some strength, even though that guy got destroyed.
BLT.
They brought in another 50K bidder. The whales are playing along now. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Thanks for the likes, the comments, being here, watching, hopefully learning. Thanks to my donors, my members of the inner circle. We're at 9. 9
NDRA.
members. This slowed down. It was really accelerated to 30. Slowing down now though. 50K bidder right here, 45K. My God. Might try it again. Apron still looks strong.
Rev. APRN.
Lame.
APRN.
Apron's taking the spotlight now. $680. Actually, it's pulling back a little bit too. So this looks okay on the woman at flag and needs up through 715. Had 2 50K bidders get destroyed though. I'm honestly surprised after yesterday that we still have this kind of action. I really am. And I'm all here for it. Today it actually seems even a little bit easier because there's other things set up. Apron pulling way back. See what Fubo does. Yep, just when it looked good, they brought the selling pressure in. I almost clicked it there too. This is what's killing us though. Like I said, sympathy. You gotta watch the lead dog. Lead dog's pulling back. Fubo pulling back. Apron pulling back. Let me go over to your BWV now. Ooh. Ooh.
EXPR.
Ooh. Glad I didn't take it where I did. Ugly. Just trading a channel right now. 340 to, or 310 to 340. Rev. That one kind of got wrangled in too, didn't it? To the meme-ish stocks. Looks so thin. Fubo is a little bit easier to read. But you buy 910 here and you're risking what? 875. You might get lucky enough to get enough bids right here to get back out, but
TBLT.
Apron getting a big volley spike here. Oh, I forgot about Party City. Yeah, that one was kind of in play too. That's kind of third tier, but it's still in play. Apron needs to the 680 level here. I want to see Fubo hold 7. Don't want to see it go back under that. If the Apron made a new high of day, it'd probably help. Yeah, E-Pow's a T2 today, I think.
CEAD.
A little bit of curl on Bed Bath & Beyond there. Fubo just hanging around over 7. Apron pushing towards 680. Yeah, it gave up most of its gains, though, is the unfortunate part. Like, it's back where it started, which I usually don't like those, but maybe. Okay, big strong bounce here on Bed Bath & Beyond.
DB. MKTWW.
Yeah, back over 29. This is looking much stronger now. Fubo's flagging for a stick to 720, really. Apron, it's more wicky. It's thinner, though, I think.
FUBO.
There you go. 720 it is.
FTFT.
Nice when things react correctly. It really is. It's really refreshing and enjoyable. So Fubo 720 now.
BCAB.
Not really much in this zone to get a resistance level off of. 750 is going to be the psychological resistance. Uh-oh. BBBY had a bad candle there. See if this is going to take over or this is going to fail with it. You never know. Dang it. You never know if it's going to be volume rotation or it's going to be, still sympathy, just fall right back with it. Just trying to let it breathe up there. Give us some volume rotation. Those are the best. If this does push a high of day with Bed Bath & Beyond pulling back, it is confirmed volume rotation. But if it starts to pull back with it, then it is still stuck as a sympathy. Looking good though, so far. And in the past, I would have sold right there. I've been like, oh my God, I'm getting out. I'm scared. But I've learned, you know, over time that sympathy sometimes turn into sector rotation. I did scale though. I wasn't going to be stupid and just write it down to nothing. But I feel like this may be the volume rotate. This can make a pre-market high here. Not saying this is going to freaking 20 bucks, but the volume from here may rotate to here.
EXPR.
It's close. Real close. Somebody doesn't want... Oh, no. Come on. It was right there. I'm real close to taking it out. Yeah, I'm going to. Man, they had it. They had it. The Bed Bath & Beyond leg down screwed it. It was right there. Watch out for your simps. Man, that sucks.
CUK.
It's almost into a volume rotation, and Bed Bath & Beyond had a real ugly candle.
BRM.
SPY's pulling back now too. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Hopefully they did. Hopefully they weren't greedy and are like, well, it's back to 7 now. Let's just hold it back to 30. That's sad. That's sad. You could very well hammer up here and push, but...
Ollie. Tech.
See, I play for the play. You know, the higher low, the higher low, the higher low. But once it breaks down out of my trend, out of what I'm playing for, I don't want to play the U-shape. I don't want to play the horseshoe. I don't want to play the box. Unless I'm, you know, this is my first time trying it. But playing on the way up, it starts to show like it wants to start the way down. Later. Move on to the next. Get about 3.5 minutes till the 9 a.m. news. Let's look at Party City. Looks like Bed Bath & Beyond is bouncing now. Yeah, Party City with a mod of its own, huh? When are they gonna relist Toys R Us? This has got a gap. I think that's the reason it's got so much attention. Gap 3.
CNHI.
Did you guys see where Toys R Us is coming to like Macy's or something? They're finally bringing it back.
TCI. Lucy.
Lucy on the scanner? That was that new IPO from the other day. Oh, Lowe's.
BVIO.
BWV not looking too hot. It's hanging on to 20 on the 1 though. So maybe get some volume spike, but not looking the hottest right here. You hate to see that candle where it spiked up and faded that hard though. You took profit? Okay, good. Good job, good job. Yeah, this candle, ugly. Ugly, ugly. All in all, holding this level, just barely though. Looks like it's ready for a knife to 290 though. Thank you, Discipline. Thank you. Yes, I did get a haircut yesterday. I was going to get it over the weekend. Ended up going on the wrong day. I literally thought I scheduled it for Sunday, but I scheduled it for Saturday. So I missed Saturdays, so I had to go yesterday. So after 9 a.m., I think I'm gonna go do the dogs early, go say hi to Noah, the usual, step away for like 5 minutes. That curl, see, I mean, it looked ugly, but it's curling off the bottom, it looks like. See what 9 a.m. news gives.
VEDU.
Vidu, intent to acquire 75% equity in some Chinese technology company. That's about it. Bubo's still hanging on. Apron's still hanging on. Yeah, a little bit of pullback now.
ARR. VTRS.
Yeah, it's starting to look a little weaker now, it looks like.
CS. CUK.
BWV pushing off this line. Surviving.
PSNY.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go take a quick break. Be right back.
LSF. BWV. TXMT. CGRN. DB. SKYX. PBR. Lucy. FCEL. Ing. VXRT. PTON. Veil. FNGU. NNDM. PRPL. New. GGB.
Alrighty then. We are back. Ooh, BWB popped to 330s, huh? Fubo doesn't look terrible here. I'm really surprised. I mean, it was at the make or break candle right here, and it shows up. Cool. Sweet.
HNST.
Anything else happen while it's gone? I heard something about branded accounts can't turn on the gift thing. You have a branded account? Oh, I thought that was like a brand name, like a, a business. Business. I don't know. Maybe, but I have heard that, yeah. I just didn't even bring that up because I didn't think you were. It's heavy through here, but above that, it's a little thinner. Doesn't look terrible, BWV. You could have bought and, prayed to whoever and potentially got that move there. Yeah, I don't know. That's very strange.
Azul.
Hey, Scott. What's going on? How you doing? Okay, Fubo pulling back a little. Bed Bath & Beyond looking a little weaker.
GOL. GIGM. ACHR.
You guys taking anything this morning, or you just kind of chilling until open? Only thing I've really seen is, BWV if you caught this move or this move, and Fubo with Apron and Bed Bath & Beyond.
BBIO.
BWV doesn't look terrible here. It really doesn't. Wait and see how open goes. That's fair. That's the safe approach. Got about 15, well, like 17 minutes to the bell. Yeah, that's fair. That's a good job. Good job not just hopping into everything. Wait for the clear runner. Wait for the setup. Wait for your setup. Not somebody else's, not somebody on Twitter, not mine, but your setup.
FNGU.
And then take it. It's pushing higher. I'm very surprised that it survived this ugly candle and then this,
FSR.
pennant, bear flag, whatever you want to call it, where it could have easily died at 285.
ADN. Blue. Eric.
Apron chart doesn't look terrible. Fubo down to the 50 on the 1, which is usually the 9 on the 5.
Sid.
So yeah, pushing just below that. Yep. Learn to play your own plays. And that's kind of what I try to do here. Just, instead of saying, follow me, follow my trades, buy everything I buy.
Fail.
I try to show you guys why I'm doing this so you can develop your own system of, okay, I like this. You know, take a little piece from what I said, take a little piece from somebody else says, you know, make your own system. BWV is showing some strength. I'm very surprised. Really don't want to play it up here, but right here was the absolute perfect entry. And now we've broken through the top of the channel. This candle right here, right after 9 a.m. It was make or break, and it chose to go.
FCEL.
GNUS, 843% revenue increase to a record 21.2 million for the second quarter of 2022. That's a heavy one, if you remember. If you played GNUS before. Damn, missed that move. Trying to figure out the option thing. Oh, gotcha.
ATXI.
BWV running on nothing but loss report. No, they had, BWV had news this morning. It could still be a good short candidate, though. But here's BWV's news. Announces exploration of its virus-like particle platform for use in monkeypox vaccine candidate. So a lot of keywords in there, but at the same time, no official, like, this works or yada yada, you know. We may try to begin to think about working on something similar to monkeypox type scenario.
BWV. BWV.
Wow. I am personally shocked that it recovered, but sweet. It's good for us, good for the market. Even when things look ugly, they move. That is good for small caps.
Go Vu.
You're gonna explore trying to lose some weight? All right, sweet. Good luck, good luck. That's gonna come, I mean, that's gonna be a similar journey to like learning how to trade, learn how to get better at trading, you know? A lot of discipline, a lot of, you know, self-strength, mental strength. It's not all about, you know, working out. It's, you know, you got a lot of stuff going on that, like mentally that you gotta get straight, you know? Got to work on whatever it is, the diet or the exercise, you know. Keep to it. Stay to your rules. Stay to your whatever. GNUS trying to push now. It was kind of slow to start. Kind of reminds me of IZEA PR the other day. After hours, I had earnings. Very slow at first, but then it started taking off.
DB.
So Fubo pulling back now. Bed Bath & Beyond pulling back. They could be setting the trap for open at this point. Just kind of letting them drop it. BWV may be blowing its load in pre-market.
EVGO. ACHR. BULZ.
thing going nuts. Yeah, I hope today's great. Yesterday was difficult. I was up for a time and then ended up losing it back. It's very choppy and it had some runners, but that's about it. Price action was not there behind it. Yeah, yesterday was boring. One trade, one green. There you go. And honestly, Gerard, that's the best way, you know? Wait for your setup and absolutely kill it. 360 is a key level. Yeah, I mean, it's the wick level from here. I'm guessing,
CGC, GPS,
yeah, it's a level on the daily.
TWM.
Went to 4 a couple weeks ago whenever it spiked for the first time. Yeah, don't force anything you're not comfortable with. Absolutely. Yeah, it's struggling in this zone, guys. Definitely is. GNUS 115 now. Slow and steady. It's a heavier one.
NNDM. News. Vero.
Weber downgraded to sell. Price target 275 from 7. Citigroup. So they must have went short now that Weber's ran a little bit due to the meme stocks. That's funny.
BCAB.
Yeah, GNUS is going straight up. Just grinding. 120. That revenue headline was pretty good. Fubo hanging around. Bed Bath & Beyond hanging around. Apron hanging around.
QTEK.
Apron set up for a blow off top at 7, but all the rest of these are going to have to recover, you know. It's going to have to survive
VS.
to get the move. But the chart doesn't look terrible. Yeah, Broda's good. Broda knows what he's talking about, Jordan. If you can understand him, then you will learn something.
VRM. AERC. TSP.
Gosh. No, it's trying to run now. Fubo pushing back up towards 7. Bed Bath & Beyond back up towards 28. That didn't work. Okay, I got the E in the right spot.
4. Hive. Face.
I'm gonna try to burn some letters here. Shoot. Okay, so we got a TI.
KTRA. EVGO. AEO. ASRT. BWWB.
Burn a couple more letters. Okay, so T's here.
LSF.
Blank I. Blank E.
BWWB. NBTS.
Twice.
WEJO.
There we go. There we go. For Nurka gets it again. I think I beat you though.
BULZ.
I think I beat you. All right, we got about
OXSQ.
3.5 minutes to the bell. I'm gonna go ahead and flip over my scanners to intraday. Keep Bed Bath & Beyond on the big chart. Fubo. Apron. They're all looking okay for open, really. Not fantastic, but okay. Yeah, there goes some BBBY volume. 928 now. Back up through 27. I'd like to see some halt ups. That'd be sick. Straight out the gate. That'd be really nice. Fubo looks good. Apron looks good. Bed Bath & Beyond, I mean, it's pulled back some. It still looks good. I'm definitely not going to play Bed Bath & Beyond, but I may play reactive on Fubo and Apron off of Bed Bath & Beyond if it rips.
BWV.
Apron, little spike there. 660. Got about 40 seconds now to the bell. What are we going to get? We're going to get explosions. We're going to get fake outs. We're going to get halts. We're about to find out. We just about to find out. Apron with the boner in the open. See if they sell it off or if it's absolutely gonna explode.
BWV, SRAD, MKTWW, JCSE, JCSEYBN, PPSI, COGT.
Okay, Bed Bath & Beyond pulled back.
HIBS, Farm, Ear, BRDN, EURN,
Hammer on Bed Bath & Beyond.
EMFM,
Big hammer, screen now. Wow.
CANF, SLNG, JCSE,
So watching Apron and Fubo off of this, especially if it gets going.
SRAD, Earth, TWM,
Yeah, I just took some Fubo.
IMD,
686 off of Bed Bath & Beyond. Your wrist like 670.
COGT,
Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond 2906 pushing. Is it halting? 2920. I'm gonna be very upset if Fubo fails this. With Bed Bath & Beyond pushing this hard. Oh my gosh. It did. It did. Look how ugly. Oh, this wick too. Well, that's very unfortunate.
BWV, GLBS,
All right, pushing back up again. I got back in Fubo 66 or 659.
GO,
Better not screw me.
BBBY,
It's gonna screw me, I bet.
Snug,
Oh my gosh. So Fubo completely disconnected from Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, BWV rocket for sure. Holy. Straight up. All right, Fubo's dead to me now. That sucks.
RBBN, ABBC, Kirk, PRDS, JCSE,
A little bit of volume on your E-Pal there.
BBBY,
Very thin one.
RBBN, GLBS, FHS, INAB, Ear, Ear, Sava,
I'm still shook about this move. So Bed Bath & Beyond and AMC disconnected like that on me the other day, like a week ago. And now Fubo and Apron disconnected. That's annoying. Yeah, Ear, Strong.
Ati,
Rev pushing now on its own.
JCSE,
I'm gonna be annoyed if this bounces. I'm gonna be really annoyed.
COGT, DTEA, HHS,
Yeah, Rev bounced from 850 all the way to 950. Huge bounce on Rev.
BBBY,
BBBY looking a little weak now.
Fro,
Little rejection there. BWV was crazy. I can't believe that.
BWV,
Worked out absolutely perfect.
Sava,
JCSE. A bit of a move. Okay. Apron dying. Bed Bath & Beyond not dying yet.
BBBY, SLNG, MOXC, Ear, Ear, CVCY, BWV,
BWV push back up.
Dust, BBIG, JDST, Sava,
Okay, Bed Bath & Beyond looking weak now, so everything associated with that looks weak.
DTEA, CMMB, BEDU,
Could still bounce, but
COGT,
looking weaker.
SRAD, BWV,
After open, I'm not liking again. Premarket seemed good, but now we got weird price action again after open.
Ear, BBIG,
BBIG some action.
CGRN, Ear, JCSE, DRMA, MHUA, SRAD, COGT, ear, ear,
Ear just straight up, huh? Everything's just gonna go straight up today.
JCSE,
What even is JCSE?
LX,
Never even heard of that. JE Clean Tech Holdings.
EVGN,
Up, just to be up, looks like.
SRAD, BWV, Ear, LJPC, SRAD, LIZI, LJPC, ear, Soho, ear, ABBC, BWV, ANPC, Best, AYTU, JCSE,
JCSE, just into the moon.
DXYN, ear,
Yeah, ear's insanely strong. No way to play it up here. Absolutely no way to play it up here.
STKS, COGT, LVTX, DRMA, WAVD, ear,
Bed Bath & Beyond trying to bounce a little bit.
DRMA, BWV, CVLY, JCSE,
Back above 26 again. These are in, decent risk reward spots if it does bounce, but it needs to get going if it's going to bounce.
ear, RCEL,
Yeah, ear floating in the stratosphere along with JCSE. No risk reward. They're in the buy high, sell higher zones. But I mean, if you bought open, if you held through open, actually, it would have been good. But you'd have had to hold through open or buy immediately after open. There goes Bed Bath & Beyond, $26.50.
JCSE, BWV, ear,
Ear up to 3. Just straight up madness.
AACG, Ear. LYLT. LYLT. GNS.
Fubo, super weak.
BWV. INKT.
BWV trying to curl.
INKT. BWV. Ear. Omer.
Ear through 3. Just gonna go straight up. Hearing aids are the future, baby. Hearing aids are the future.
Circle.
BWV 430 now. Trying to push back up.
BWV. HHS. AACG. Ear.
Okay, there's a fail on that. So fake out, breakout on BWV. Fubo still continuing lower. I'm going to take that off my screen because it's so bad. Put BWV down here. JCSE, the one I never even heard of in my life. Still hanging around.
BBIG. AACG.
BBIG. Yeah, BBIG high of day.
BWV. Ear.
Had a big wick back down to the 130s, but then recovered. What is going on with Eargo? My goodness.
Kirk. Kano Plus. JCSE. Ear. BTU.
JCSE through 3. So these two are racing for the highest price, 305 and 308.
Ear.
BBIG through 150. I'm taking a couple quick scalps on these. I'm not liking the follow through today on the stuff I'm taking, so every breakthrough I'm just going to take a quick scalp on.
BWV.
BBIG 154.
Kano Plus. JCSE.
So Kirk pushing high, even though the rest of them trying to fail.
PZG. Soho. Test.
Little flag here on the 1 on ear, but it's a pattern, which if it forms a pattern, it's usually going to fail. If it goes straight up, it keeps going straight up. So I would expect a pullback now on ear, since we do have a pattern.
MTEX.
JCSE pushing. BWV looking weak.
BWV. JC.
Probably push up to 305 and then smack.
Side.
My guess on ear. Yep, see it looks good, looks enticing, nice pattern, holding on to the one, back over 3.
Ear. Birth. BLN. Cano Plus. LX.
Oh yeah, Tide is connected. It's the spinoff of BBIG, right? Yeah, they're moving a little bit.
JCSE, BWV.
JCSE, pull back. BWV holding VWAP.
BBIG.
BBIG going. Should have not scalped that one.
CNEY. RAAS.
Yeah, spinoff. It's like a crypto spinoff or something. TYDES.
Ear. LX.
There's ear. As per expected, first pattern of the day with the breakdown. What will be even better is a fake breakdown into a hammer into high day.
SLNG.
That would be ideal.
CCRN. BWV. JCSE.
Oh, baby, look at that. Beauty flag. Holding on to one, push back above. Death. Welcome to 2022. Genius is very heavy, but I mean, if it got going, maybe. Yeah, bro, as soon as a pattern forms, that's game over. It's got to go straight up. BWV pushing higher. Should have bought it for like 410. Yeah, they're trying to screw as many people as possible. Ah, missed BWV. I was sitting here screwing around. I was watching it. 410. Just kind of expecting it to pull back and fail though. BBIG through 160, 163, 164.
JCSE.
BWV, no 1 minute candles closed over 450.
Ear. OCFT, Cyto, BWV, LX,
Sheesh. Sheesh. Oops. Get there. Get there. Come on.
Ear. AXLA higher.
I'm gonna scale some as soon as it pops it. If it does, it didn't even pop it.
SLRX.
Okay, I scaled most on that. Yep, there we go. Thank goodness I scaled.
LX.
Yeah, Genius 119.
CETX.
She a thick one. I played it this morning on the news, but I didn't hold it long enough. Only made $77. Yeah, 116 now. It's very heavy.
LS. ADAG.
This is make or break candle, I think.
Ear. QUMU. BWV. USTS.
I don't know. I'm not feeling it. It may break through, but I'm not feeling it.
BWV. BS. ISR. 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 BWV. MGA. BWV. BS. INOBS.
This thing's surprising me all day. They still got time. They got 8 seconds to close it low. Nope, they're gonna push it up.
SLGL. BWV. LX.
Great. Everything I think not gonna happen today happens. Everything I think is gonna happen doesn't happen. So here we are. BWV pushing $5.
BWV. BWV.
Go Ev. Didn't that have an insider buy or something yesterday? BWV to the moon. I had it like right here. Yeah, last night. That's what I thought. What a weird day. Bed Bath & Beyond hasn't completely given up yet.
GOEV. BBBY. BWV.
Actually,
Ear.
Bed Bath & Beyond is halting up.
MLSs.
This is not a drill. Bed Bath & Beyond, from the brink of destruction, has now halted up. Almost.
Go blue.
Now it's halting.
ADAG. Cost. Jam. SRAD. CIDM. LX.
Fubo still struggling. BBBY's halted up, and Fubo just barely pushing.
BWV.
Just freaking barely. Nice.
Cost.
Yeah, it went down to the 200 on the 5 and push.
Cost. NUZ. Kern. KBNT. Cost.
All right, Fubo's trash. Fubo is straight garbage.
AG.
I don't know why, but it's completely just turned off.
Ear.
Heck of a bounce, though. Wow.
BWV. QIPT. TLIS. Cost.
I don't see really anything following it. So you got 25 or around 25?
Ear.
I'll stay on for a few minutes since this is halted up. Phew. Excuse me, sorry.
PETV. LJPC. IMAB. Ear. Game. BWV. Pet Blue.
So it should unhalt. So that went. Hold on. I didn't see it. When does it unhalt?
IMAB.
10:03:49.
AIDS.
Oh, nice entry. So about another minute. 10:03:49.
KAL. Ear. IOBT. Ear. BWV.
Fubo's hanging on by a thread. Like I keep wanting to go back to it, but keep screwing me over and over and over again.
Face.
So no reason to go back to it.
EQOS. BRN. PZG.
All right, so about 10 seconds on Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's see what happens. It caught him by surprise, so it's got to squeeze him out here. It's got to squeeze him out.
LX.
2750, 2760.
BWV, roller, DAIO, ear. Kirk. Aku.
Didn't really do anything.
EGLX.
Very weird day. Like whatever I think's gonna happen, it's been pretty much the opposite. Pretty much the opposite.
SBIG. 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 IOBT, Jenny. SBIG, 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 JCSE, SBIG, ADAG, SBIG, DRRX,
A little bit of a push now. Back over 27.
PETV, BWV,
Okay, there it is. 27.50.
EURN,
27.80.
ARDX,
Coming up on $28 now on Bed Bath & Beyond. 28.
NAT, KAL, BBBY,
Through 28. 28.50. All right, we're getting a little silly now. Getting a little silly now.
RLYB, CCL, Freight Plus, BYSI,
28.20.
BB, BB,
Blackberry on the scanner.
BB,
Appreciate you guys hanging with me.
BB,
10:06. We're usually done by now, but a couple things moving right at 10 here, so I want to stay on for a little bit.
SBIG, ATXS,
Okay,
Plus.
still not pushing through yet, but it's not dead, that's for sure. I don't want to see it go below like 26.40.
CDZI, BBBY.
Yeah, it's already starting to wick down now. 26.70. This candle's red now.
BWV, CNTA, BWV, Sava,
See if that's it.
CDZI,
Still got a lot of time left in the candle. Yeah, back to 27. Man, Fubo just shook me out just a rip. Went all the way back down to 582 again. I hate these stocks so much. I hate these stocks. They follow no rhyme or reason. Just
TNP,
buy it and say win moon, baby.
News,
It's like a Saba. Yeah, Saba.
BWV,
They had the CEO bought, right? 20 yesterday, last night. 27.
LIZI, SLNG, Here,
When's Veru gonna delist? I'm sick of that one too. I'm ready for an old T12 on Veru. The only reason they're up is on COVID stuff. COVID COVID's old news.
MBIO.
COVID, it's vaccinated by 3 different companies. The rates are super low. Like, just
BWV.
why? Why is it even going?
CGC. N. ITRN. BLN. Ear.
VEEE with some volume. That was a runner from the other day.
Sava. Sava. BEE. HEXO. BEE.
That was pushing 787, 790. The heck? Big push on VEE. $8 right here. Through 8. Okay, rejecting 8 a little. Interesting push there. Out of nowhere.
BCLI. Ear.
And then a humongous wick. What the heck's going on today?
Ear. Sava.
Such weird action. Like, what am I watching? They pushed it to 8, made it look like it was getting ready to halt up, and then dropped it 40 cents on the same candle. JCSC still holding around. JD.
JCSE. JCSE.
He's through 3.
Sava. BWV. Ear.
Yeah, I'm curious to see if they get it through 3.
BWV.
They got it back to 3.
Root. MOXC. SLNG. Base.
Yeah, there's 3, 304. See if they reject it or they shove it through.
JCSE. Phase U. Phase U. Phase U.
Volume's okay here. Needs through 305 through 10.
BWV. Phase U. Phase U. BLN.
Nope, doesn't look like they're gonna get it through. Rejecting 3 right now. Needs through 305. Looks like.
Sava.
Nope, full fail. Wow. So everything, you gotta take profits really, really fast today on breakouts. fake out breakout after fake out breakout after fake out
SLNG.
breakout today. Just absolutely nothing holding gains. Absolutely nothing.
Ear. NNBR. LWAY BWV.
I don't really see much. It looks good right now. Bed Bath Beyond pulling back. That GNUS play is pushing higher. Discipline still holding up.
CRKN.
But besides that, hold on, I'm getting a phone call.
Sava. VS. JCSE. Ear. CRKN. BWV. KAL. Root. Nib. MOXC. VS. KAL. AATC. APEI. SLNHP. Sava. Ear.
Okay.
BWV. WAVD. CGC.
You guys seen anything? Cool, it's staying on for a minute as long as, you know, we're still here.
Sava. AIDS. SDD. KAL. Ear.
Ear on the scanner.
BWV.
Whoops.
Sava.
Excuse me. All right, ears on pullback. Anything holding up?
MTR.
BWV still holding up?
QH. Sava.
SITA on the scanner. Yeah, price action is really, really bad today.
JCSE.
SIGA pushing back up through VWAP. BWV at 450. I hate these big upper wicks though. Veru through 24.
Sava.
Unfortunately.
CVM. Here. Sida. BWB.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that doesn't look fantastic right now, Wyatt. Can't really find much. I'm up a little bit. I was up more, but the fake out on Fubo at open kind of screwed me.
WABD.
Yeah, I got you. I knew what you meant.
BWV. JCSE.
JCSE back to a 3 test.
Sava.
There's 3. Can it actually get through 3 this time on JCSE? Needs to 3 and 305. There's 302. It's a big no. Huge rejection over 3.
IINN.
Watch it come up and do it again, though. No such thing as a breakout today. I see that for sure.
BW.
Okay, there's your head and shoulder fail.
Ear. Sava.
Saba still pushing, I'm guessing. Yeah, Saba just straight up. It's more of an intraday swing than a day trade. Just buy it and ride her on up to the moon.
JCSE. CGC. Ear. BWV. HEXO. Score. HEXO. APGN. Sava. Kern. HEXO. Kern.
Tilray strong today.
DAIO. TENX. JCSE. BTTR.
Something come out.
LX. KAL. MNMD. CGC.
Tilray, Kern, Kron.
FAF Plus. Sava. MNMD. TLRY. ACB. BWV. CDZI. PTNR. JCSE.
JCSE still screwing around. That's that frustrating stock.
Phase U.
FaZe is pushing. 1560.
Ear. LX, BMA. QH, Sava. EGIO, BWV. JCSE, PW.
Oh my God. Is this thing really going to push through now? Rejected like 6 times.
JCSE.
Reeferama could be starting. Could be starting. Yeah, Tilray is definitely my favorite one. It's kind of already started though. 450 is the big level on it though. It's pushing through it right now.
CGC.
Yeah, all the waiters are pushing right now. Tilray, CGC, Cron, Sandal, ACB, Kern, I'm sure is getting hit down there at 16 cents or whatever.
LX. BWV. Sava. Kern. JCSE.
JCSE 310.
Sava.
Sava just gonna go to 30 today. Looks like easy.
INAB. GNLN. Ear. SBIG. Marks. SBIGIG. Aku. INAB. Aku. Sava.
All right, guys, we almost went 30 minutes over. Appreciate you guys hanging out today. Another weird, choppy day. Oh well, we're in August. Still decent action for August. Appreciate you hanging out. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for keeping the chat active. Thanks to my members of the inner circle. We got 9 now. We're almost to that 10 goal. Thanks for all the donors. You know, thanks for even some to the channel. Everything just really helps support the channel, guys. I will be back as always tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. See you guys.